And let's see, this would be all over 4a squared. So we're going to go ahead and take this 4a squared, or this piece here, and now plug it in here, right? So this was now all reduced down to a single fraction. So we have 4ac minus b squared. That's all over 4a squared. Okay, and then of course I need to close up this parentheses, remember, and this is all still equal to 0 here. Alright, so hopefully you're not lost. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I can multiply both sides by 1 over a. That just drops the a completely out right here. Okay, so that'll drop that a completely out. So I'm going to rewrite this now as x plus b over 2a, that's squared, plus 4ac minus b squared, that's all over 4a squared, and that's equal to 0. So now I'm going to take this piece over to the other side of the equal sign. So this becomes negative 4ac minus b squared over 4a squared, and we have x plus b over 2a, and that is squared. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this negative, okay, it's right in line with the fraction bar, but I'm going to bring it up into the numerator. But when I do that, I'm distributing it across, okay, each one of these terms. And so that's going to end up making this a negative 4ac plus a b squared over 4a squared. And then I'm going to just go ahead and rewrite what's over on the left side. 2a squared. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and rearrange this so we have a positive out here in the front. So this is b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared, and this is x plus b over 2a, and that is squared. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to square root both sides. So we're going to have the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. And of course, if I square root this side here, the 2 goes away, so we're just left with x plus b over 2a. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and continue this over to this side. So we can go ahead and, about left something off. We got to always remember right, plus or minus when we square root both sides of something. So I just about left that off. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take this BA to the other side. So we're going to have x is equal to negative b over 2a plus or minus, and I'm going to go ahead and break this square root up. So I'm going to rewrite it in the numerator. So we have b squared minus 4ac, and that's going to be over. Now if I square rooted 4a squared, right, that just becomes 2a. Okay, just becomes 2a. Now we can actually rewrite this one more time. So this is going to end up being negative b, since we have common denominator, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and that's going to be all over this one single fraction